Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I haven't bought a card or an envelope, wherever you are in the world, for years and years and years. I love to make all of my own envelopes. I like to make my own boxes for anything and everything I make, and it is so easy. These here are called envelope punch boards. They are fantastic things, and once you invest in this, the sky is the limit in regard to making your own personalised gift cards and envelopes. So easy. Let me just show you what you need. So once you go to Amazon, I think you'll find these are on Amazon, and they come with all of the instructions that you would ever need and more, but I'm going to show you how to do it anyway, so you don't need that. You also need a ruler, and because these instructions come in inches or imperial, I think there is somewhere where you can transfer them over to metrics, but I've got a ruler that's also got the metrics, or the imperial on it. You also need some sharp scissors. You also need a pencil and a rubber, and you also need some really nice stock card, or if you can, I found this. I just love this. Look at this, all these beautiful botanicals in, of course, my favourite colour, which is black and white, because, and actually they're for colouring in, adults colouring in, but they're so beautiful. I just thought that just the designs were just absolutely fabulous, and it's just a little bit, this here is just a little bit heavier than the stock card, which is perfect for what I want to do. Okay, to begin, and look at all these, look, all of my cards and envelopes that I've made. Oh, it's just so fabulous. So I've got to put my glasses on, look at my new glasses, aren't these just so fabulous? Oh, I love it, and they just click into place. Okay, when you get your punch board, it's got down here the size of your card, and then it tells you the paper size that you need and the lines that you're going to score to achieve the envelope size, which is, so there's your card there. So you just go down here to the size of your card, how much paper you need, and it tells you the lines to score. By that I mean you're coming along here, and then there's a line score down there, which I will show you and we will get to. So it also comes with this lovely little thingy here that means that you can score and you can make, when you're doing your lines and folding it up, that this will work. Now there is one more thing that I almost forgot, and that is one of these little roller sellotape things. Fantastic things. I love them. You can glue it if you want to, but I found that this was much better. Okay, so this is, and when you go online, you'll find lots and lots of places there's lots of tutorials on how to do this. So once you have whatever you're going to do, now I've got a bit of paper in here, one that I've already marked up. Where is that gone? Where is that? All right, so here is the paper, and what you do is you need to determine what your card size is going to be. My card's going to be 3 inches by 4 inches, and I need a piece of paper or card 6 by 6, so I've measured that all out. And it's just, this is where you have to be really good about the way that you do things, and you've got to be very neat and you've got to be very precise. So cutting that out, and then we'll cut that across there. And if you can, I wouldn't be writing on the card, of course, but you see, I haven't cut that very neatly, have I? No, I haven't. Never mind, that'll do for now. Right, once you've done that, it says on the side, so 6 by 6. So here is the 6 by 6, which is going to give me 3 by 4 size card. So I've got to score on the line, which is 2 and 5/8. So that goes into there like so, and I go along here to 2 and, what is it, check again, 2 and 5/8. So the 2 and 5/8 is there, and it's just a matter of pushing that down and then going into there and scoring along that line there. Right, so can you see that little score line there? Maybe you can't, but that's where that little score line is. The next thing you do is you put it back into there and you line that score line up with this little bit here. Can you see that there? See that little bit there? You have to line it up with that. punch that, and then getting your little scorer, run along there, and don't go, if your paper's really, really fine, thin paper, don't be pushing too hard because you'll get yourself into an enormous amount of bother and you'll cut it off. Okay, so turning that around, taking that to that little mark there, there's your little mark there, taking that to there so that that line there runs along there, and it's just a matter of punching, getting your little whatever this plastic thing is, doing the same thing, and then taking that, lining that up again and giving that a little bit of a punch. So now you've got those little wee indentations there, there and there. Then what you do is at the other side you put it into there, and you just, by cutting there, you get, instead of having that little sharp corner there, you've got a nice little rounded corner like you would as if you were buying a nice envelope. You know how they've all got those nice little rounded bits? I just love this. Oh, it just makes, and I have on in the middle of the winter when it's really, really wet and I can't get outside, that's when I make these. Okay, so the next thing now is to bend that there, and then bending that across there, bending that and that score mark there, which is there, taking that across there, and then you can just use this little scriber thing, that's what that's called a scriber, across there, and then just getting your sellotape, let me just make sure I've got the right way, running that down there, and then doing the same with this here, running that through there, and then that just gets pressed to there, and that gets pressed to there, and then you have this cutesy pie little envelope ready to put your little card into. And you can cut your card to whatever size you want. So how easy is that? Perfect. So if you were getting married or you're having a special event, you can make your own envelopes in whatever pattern paper or card you want to. And if there is, when it comes to doing the writing on the front, I like to use a really lovely fine gold leaf or silver leaf pen to write to who it's to. I hope you enjoyed that because I so love making them myself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you another day.